Hey guys, it's Matt with Railfan Depot. I'm in Georgetown, Colorado at the Georgetown Loop and Museum. Just was passing by this on I-70. Thought I'd stop and see what they got. So far, I don't think anything's running, but I do see a little switcher engine up here and a Rio Grande caboose. Kind of hard to see, but hidden up there. Beautiful bridge here. How about that right there? That'd be cool to get a shot of that going across. I don't know if you could pick up on the sound of the stream there, but it's peaceful. Feel free to pause and read this. It's pretty cool information.
Did you wait for that car to leave?
Well, I guess I'm gonna have to come back at a later time because I am too early in the season. Still pretty cool to check out though. Got a nice station over there across the river. Well, that's it, guys. They do have the steam locomotives. They have 3 steam locomotives and a few diesel locomotives, which you saw the little switcher. And then they have up to like 11 or 12 passenger cars. So I'm gonna have to come back and check this out. But this is really exciting. 3 steam locomotives, little switchers, 280s, 260s, 262s, those type of steam locomotives. But yeah, it's all narrow gauge. Kind of like the Durango and Silverton Railroad, but definitely have to come back and check this place out. Let's go do it for me here. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you would, give me a thumbs up and subscribe as always. I do appreciate you guys. Thanks.